Hello, welcome back for lesson number 39. I put a title called marking. Today we're going to mark the area for drilling operation. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We will continue by creating a hole technique, meaning to say that we're going to consolidate all the hole by creating a hole set. Hole. OK. You can select one by one or using the method to select all the holes. Change to circle. We would need to click the four corner on the upper level ring. OK. OK again. We will select the center. Select hole 1. Click OK. This is to drill all the holes at once. Right mouse click edit. Set the G54. We need to select a center drill. Select tools. Load the tool shape. Select a 3.15 mm center drill. This is the result. And we need to set the tool number 3, and click OK. With that, we change the RPM and feed rate. The depth is going to be 2 mm. Change the color. Calculate. This is the result on the tool path. Let us verify. You can see Z-2, which is what we expected at the G54 frame. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us perform a solid verify. Looks good. And go for the analysis visual. Everything is to our expectation. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we will double click the previous operation, collapse it. Go for tactic, right mouse click, insert hole tactic. Open, features, add, create, hole. We will change to hole first and then pick all. You can see 6 holes selected. Circle. Need to zoom in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click OK. Click OK. We will go for drill, center, hole set 1. OK. Select the tool shape, center, 3.15 mm. OK. This is the result. We need to change the tool number to 3. OK. Calculate, no. Let us set the frame, G54. RPM is 1002. 150. Thickness is depth is 2 mm. The rest is okay. Change the color. Let us calculate. Looks good. Let us perform a verify. Set the G54. Drag. Can see that Z is -2. Okay. Okay. Let us perform a solid verify. Slow down. Looks good. Let us perform an analysis. Can zoom in and take a look. Everything looks good. We still have material for the finishing cut. Okay, we close it. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue the drilling operation at the next lesson. Bye bye.